When we got to Craggy Wash, we saw several rigs just inside the turn-in. And we found a spot about, I guess, maybe 200 yards in, and we chose it. 2 days after we arrived at Craggy Wash, we got a knock on the door from BLM officer. We had to pack up and move. You have to be at least 1 mile in before you can set up camp at Craggy Wash. So remember that if you want to go camp at Craggy Wash, to at least go 1 mile in before you set up camp. Road that runs through Craggy Wash goes for miles and miles. I believe it's about maybe 6 miles deep. The further you go back, the rougher it gets. I don't think I would want to take a trailer back too far because you could break an axle very easily on some of that road back there. Just be aware that a lot of Craggy Wash is soft also, so you want to scout ahead and make sure that your rig isn't too heavy for the site you may choose. The elevation rises over 300 feet at Craggy Wash. If you like these type of videos, I encourage you to subscribe. If you don't like the video, shoot me a comment and let me know why you don't like these type of videos. On this channel, we want to make videos that you guys like, kind of videos that you guys gravitate towards. Don't be afraid to bring your fifth wheel to Craggy Wash. While it may be soft in places, there are plenty of good places for Class A's and fifth wheels. I love this little Volkswagen Beetle that was souped up and van that was painted alike. It was a unique canyon, and I could just picture hundreds of riders on horseback riding down through the canyon back in the day. I love that schoolie we just rolled by. It was called the Rolling Arc, and it was a unique specimen in its own right. Like this video, the more people that like our videos gives them a chance to be shown to others on YouTube. I have some good videos coming up for you guys in the near future. I have one up with a unique schoolie that I believe that you're going to really love. There were many minivans at Craggy Wash boondocking. Van life has become a popular way of life. If you look real hard, you may see yourself in this video. I've seen a lot of these turnoffs while driving through. While I didn't explore any of them, I did see camper tops back in there. There were a lot of car campers at Craggy Wash. Some may have been out of necessity. Look at this unique rig here. This was homemade. A homemade truck camper. More van lifers. Notice the teepee. That was their center camp. Sign schoolie. Another van lifer. This right here was the camp host who was always giving away free food. Craggy Wash got its name from being surrounded by hills and large, rugged boulders. This little cove right here was a nice little cove for RVs to get back into. There was many RVs back in here, from vans to fifth wheels, Class A's, big to small. They had it all. Taking a moment to ask you to please like this video yet. We had a lot of abnormal winds during our stay at Craggy Wash. From what I understand, this has been an abnormal winter in Arizona for high winds. Another giant boulder. Tent campers, some side-by-sides. We had a very strong windstorm during our stay, and that gentleman lost his tent. When you're staying in tents out here, you have to make sure that you secure them properly, even if you are by what you think may be a windbreak. This area right here was cordoned off. It's a state reclamation project, so they don't want anyone camping in there. We sincerely hope you've enjoyed this drive through Craggy Wash. We found Craggy Wash to be a peaceful, secluded place to boondock. Please like and subscribe our videos. Come back and see us again. Hit that notification bell.